I think it's an exciting time in urology to be training.
Urology has traditionally been the leader in innovation in the surgical specialties.
We pride ourselves on trying to change the status quo and really push the boundaries.
I couldn't imagine being anywhere else.
My name is Michael Schwartz. I'm a urologist here at the Zucker School of Medicine at Hofstra Northwell, and I serve proudly as our residency program director for the Department of Urology. We have a 5-year residency program.
We have some fellowship training programs that are available as well in stones, endourology, and pediatrics.
This place really has a great history with innovation. This is really the birthplace of the field of endourology. Some of our faculty were involved in the very early days of laparoscopy and robotics.
We have amazing technology in terms of robotic surgery, microscopic surgery, a variety of different lasers and other gadgets that are being used, and the residents really get to use some of the latest in technology.
The training program incorporates 4 different hospitals. Our main campus, which is Long Island Jewish Medical Center, and Cohen Children's Medical Center. They're both located attached to each other here in New Hyde Park. Then we also train at North Shore University Hospital, which is in Manhasset. And we also have newly added Forest Hills Hospital, which is a community hospital here in Queens.
So Northwell is one of the largest health systems in the country. And being in New York, you have access to the breadth of all urologic pathology that is out there. You also have interaction with patients from a variety of socioeconomic backgrounds, plus a variety of different cultures, and it really enriches your ability to deal with patients from any background.
I think that here we're situated to see almost everybody in the population, which is wonderful. I'm going to care for everybody.
We have dedicated training with the robotics trainers throughout our entire time here, and that starts as early as your first day.
We really have an incredible cohort of faculty here that are dedicated to make sure that our residents are getting the training that they need to come out as outstanding urologists when they leave us.
We have a broad faculty. We do open surgery, laparoscopic surgery, cutting-edge technology. We have experts in every field of urology. So from a surgical standpoint, there's really no better place to get training.
A lot of places will have a subspecialty represented by a single faculty member, and here we're often 3 and 4 faculty members deep in any one subspecialty, so we are really proud of that, and it really adds so much to our conferences, our discussions, our journal clubs, et cetera, to have such a depth of our faculty.
When I was looking for programs, I was looking for a place that really had a culture of mentorship and could really push me to my fullest extent.
From day one, we hook our residents up with a faculty member.
We try to guide them in terms of when they go through their elective time later on in residency, what they should be going through to make them successful. And with the depth of our faculty, we have contacts not only all over the country, but all over the world to help plug them into a program going forward.
One of the things that makes this program pretty unique is that we have a research block during the 4th year that's about 6 months long.
Residents during that rotation time are fairly protected as far as clinical duties, so they can really focus on their research efforts.
That time is yours, and if you have something significant you want to do, they will help you get there.
And the research opportunities vary from basic science to clinical opportunities to engineering, with developing new devices, new robotic devices in conjunction with our engineering school.
This research has not been limited to being in the office or bench research. It's really whatever kind of the resident desires.
We have residents that worked at the WHO for 6 months. We had a resident that went to Serbia to work with genital reconstructive surgery for 6 months.
If there's anything that you're passionate about, the program really does their best to be able to make it happen for you and to enrich that part of your education if at all possible.
The majority of our residents end up seeking fellowship positions. A lot of our residents go into academic careers, and really we are trying to train residents for the next 10 years, 20 years of medicine, rather than thinking about the way we've been doing things for the last 20 years.
By and large, our graduating residents go into many different programs, all along their top choices. They achieve top fellowship matches in some of the best named programs in the country.
One of my favorite things is to be able to see the growth in residents as they move from internship all the way through graduation and then beyond.
As they progress through their residency, we really see that by the time they finish, they're really able to take a patient and really take care of them right from the beginning to the end.
You progress pretty quickly, and you don't even know that it's happening to you, and suddenly you're the one telling someone else how to do something. You're the one showing someone else the right way to do something.
I think Northwell has a beautiful blend of everything. We have representation in all the subspecialties. We're at the forefront of all technology and I think innovation, and we really have a culture of family.
People take care of each other, they look out for each other, and I think that that's a great asset to the department.
Residents constantly feel like people care and are invested in what becomes of them.
This is a great place to learn. You're going to meet great people along the way that are going to take care of you and help you through the tough times, as well as celebrate your successes as you go through.
It's really not just a job or a training program, but also some place that I would make lifelong friends and connections, and I really love that.
This program will really set you up to do anything that you want to do.
You can't get any better training than here.